Hello, this is Mike. I'm professional with ice machine. Today is January 16th. Here I'm making a video to show around my factory. Okay, let's introduce the machine one by one. This is a 10 ton per day capacity tube wide machine. Pizza compressor, water cooled. This is a 30 ton per day capacity tube wide machine. And this is another 30 ton per day capacity. These 30 ton per day machines are the same. They are both equipped with a pizza screw compressor, evaporative condenser. This is the pizza screw compressor. This is a 20 ton per day capacity tube wide machine. We are vacuum the system. After that, we will charge refrigerant and start testing the machine. And this is the area where we test all kind of ice machines. This is the 5 ton per day capacity flake ice machine, air cooled, equipped with 2 air cooling fans. Five ton per day flake ice machine. This is the 5 ton per day capacity tube wide machine, equipped with the pizza piston compressor, water cooling condenser. The machine is already tested, well tested. And this is the inside of my factory. Here you can see 3 sets of a 5 ton per day capacity tube wide machine. These 3 machines are both 5 ton per day. This is equipped with a flash cold compressor. This is equipped with a rough comb compressor, and this is equipped with a flash cold compressor. And now you can see a 1 ton per day pizza, 1 ton per day tube wide machine equipped with a pizza piston compressor, air cooled. And by the side you can see a 3 ton per day equipped with a rough comb compressor, air cooled. And here you can see 2 sets of a 5 ton per day capacity tube wide machines. They are not complete yet. They will be complete this week. And by the side you can see a big ice generator. That is the ice generator for 30 ton per day capacity tube wide machine. This tube wide machine is with a split design. The tube wide generator and the compressing condenser unit, they will be located in different areas. They are separated from each other. And this small machine is the 1 ton per day capacity tube wide machine. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of 20 ton per day capacity flake ice machines. This is a 10 ton per day capacity flake ice machine, equipped with the 1 pizza piston compressor, air cooling condenser. The air cooling condenser is with the 6 air cooling fans. And this is the area we make all the tube ice generators. You can see in a big shell, and then another evaporator which is almost complete. Okay, so this is the area we put all the components and the materials for making tube ice generators, and we do the assembly here. Okay, so this is all I want to show about my factory in this month. Thank you for your time.